So today we're going to be looking at the best zero fee investing apps. These are going to be the apps that you can get started with no cost on your end when it comes to being able to buy and sell. Now, the nice thing is we're going to go through this list in very quick fashion so you can see which one might work best for you. So make sure you stick around. And as we go through this list, I'm going to have each one in the show notes down below for you so you can click right away and get started. The nice thing is there are some sign up bonuses for you, and it does also help support out the channel so I can continue to provide free content just like this. So let's go ahead and jump onto this list and see exactly what we have. Before we go into details, these are the 5. We got M1 Finance, Public Investing, Webull, Cash App, and Robinhood. But let's go ahead and break down each one just a little bit on some of the positive things that they have for you. First and foremost, we have M1 Finance right over here for beginners and intermediate long-term investors. You're allowed to create great multiple sectors, so you can have things separated into different areas if you wanted to, kind of like the overall market. So you can have like energy, you can have tech, or even health if you wanted to, and create different sectors, and it kind of helps keep everything organized. Now, they do also have auto investing, which is kind of a set and forget notion. So that way, if you want to kind of set everything up once and then just let everything kind of coast, this app will let you do so, and it is fantastic for those type of investors. Now, it is also great for dividend reinvesting, which means that if companies are paying you dividends, that money will get reinvested back into the actual account, which is fantastic. Now, probably my favorite thing when it comes to investing overall is fractional shares, and M1 Finance has this available. Effectively, what it means is you can buy stocks at a much smaller dollar amount instead of the overall stock price. Now, the next one up on this list is Public. Now, Public is great for beginner and intermediate users. You can actually follow other investors, whether it's friends, family, or even other bigger users on the platform. You can comment, like, and share within the app, so that way you guys can have conversations and talk about things. They also have theme investing, which means like things like green power. You can invest in companies that are focused on that. Or you can invest in companies that have women as CEOs and so many other types of themes. Now, Public does use slices of stock, which is effectively also fractional shares like we talked about with M1 Finance, also another great feature. Now, if you want to sign up for them, they will actually give you a free slice just for going through the process and signing up. Again, link down below. Next up here is going to be Webull. Webull is great for intermediate and advanced investors. They have a plethora of data within the app, so you can get pretty much all the information you need right at your fingertips. They are great for option trading and also day trading as well, so if that is something you're interested in, Webull might be the platform for you. They also do offer paper trading, which is fantastic because it's like practicing with free money. So you don't even have to worry about, actually putting your money in, and you can see things happening in real time with this fake money. Now, if you want to sign up for Webull, I will have the link down below to give you a free stock when you sign up and deposit at least $100 into your account. Next up we have is Cash App. Cash App is for beginners. It's something where it's very simple and easy to use. You can start investing with as little as $1, which also means they have fractional shares available for you. It is very simple and straightforward to use. There are some downsides to the app, but if you're somebody who's just kind of wanting to get their toes wet, you can definitely give this one a shot. For being entirely free, it is definitely not a bad thing. But if you want to sign up, I'll have a link down below. Sometimes they have $5, sometimes they have $15 sign up bonuses. It's just a matter of the timing. So check out that link down below. And next up here, we have Robinhood. Robinhood is great for any type of investor. They have a simple and clean user interface, and it's really easy to understand and go through the process of buying and selling if you need to. And then they also have fractional shares, which is still technically rolling out to all users. So it's not fully available to everybody, but it is becoming available to most. And they also have instant deposit, which is fantastic for somebody who needs to put in their money into the account as quickly as possible and start investing with that money. Maybe there's a downturn in the market and they want to take advantage. Essentially, you can deposit up to $1,000 on the basic version of Robinhood right away before that money fully goes into the account and spend that money in your investments at that same time. They also have aftermarket trading, which is great for somebody who maybe is in a different time zone and needs to be able to buy at different times or wants to continue purchasing at a later time after the market has officially closed. And if you don't already have Robinhood, I will have a link down below for you to be able to sign up and get a free stock just for going through that process. Now, all of these stocks have pros and cons altogether. I just went over the pros here today, but of course, test out these different apps. If you want, test all of them out and see which one works out best for you so you can make sure that you are going to be on the right path when it comes to investing in the market. Now, I want you to keep on learning more when it comes to investing, so check out my video right over here to go through this process. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.